Northumbrian Water provides water and wastewater services to about 4.5 million customers, both in the northeast of England and in the southeast of England. We have around about 30,000 kilometres of wastewater network, over 400 wastewater treatment facilities and over 700 wastewater pumping stations. Essentially in 2011, government decided that the vast majority of private sewer networks should transfer into the ownership of water and wastewater companies. At midnight on the 1st of October 2011, we had a huge increase to our asset base that we had to then take ownership of and manage.
When we took over the responsibility for the transferred drains and sewers, there were very few records in existence. We carried out an extensive exercise to try and discover all of the plans and maps that we could find from local authorities and local councils and so forth. And we estimated at the end of that we had something like 5% coverage, so it was very small. Our initial approach to filling the gap was to adopt traditional surveying techniques, so lifting manholes and carrying out manhole surveys, which we calculated using several approaches and discovered that it will probably take something like 15 years to complete the missing information. This traditional approach would have cost us, in the first 5 years alone, £10 million, and on the same basis could have cost up to £30 million over 15 years.
So the approach developed with 1Spatial is really innovative. Essentially, we're developing a set of rules that help us to infer the location of all the transferred networks. That saves us in sending crews to site and physically mapping the location.
Working with 1Spatial on a day-to-day basis is great. The consultant-to-consultant relationship's excellent. We really enjoy sharing ideas and being innovative. The approach that Northumbrian 1Spatial took for this project was a collaborative approach. So we went through a number of iterations. We started with some workshops with 1Spatial and ourselves. We brought in the business alongside us. We then worked together with 1Spatial to go back and look at their existing rule set to see whether we could modify that to work for Northumbrian Water.
I think the key benefits to our customers would be faster resolution, faster understanding of the issue. Because we now know what's in the ground, when they call us up, we're looking at a map or a model of what's in the ground, we can get more quickly to the possible sources of the problem.
Northumbrian Water and 1Spatial have been working together for a number of years now. We've got a good relationship where we collaborate on a lot of geospatial projects. Our core GIS is from 1Spatial and we're looking to grow that partnership in the future. Within Northumbrian Water, we really want to use the power of GIS going forward. Everything happens somewhere. We want to bring data sets together and hit different departments and show them the value of spatial information. I think it will work in different ways for different departments. So each department will have their own view, geospatial view on the world, viewing the data sets that matter to them.
The modelling approach has allowed us to reduce the timescales drastically from something like 15 years to more like 2 years. So that's been a major benefit. We're really proud of this project. It's been a great success. We feel that we're probably further ahead than anybody else in the water industry in accurately positioning our transferred drains and sewers.